Maxine, English.
So a few months ago, Canadians elected our government and gave us a clear mandate. They asked us to reduce operating costs so as to ensure that essential services are sustainable. They asked us to be decisive and to lead in the best interests of Canadians. Today, we're doing just that by taking concrete actions to stabilize the financial situation at Canada Post and by taking steps to chart its future path. Because Canada Post is a vital national institution. An institution older than our country and that has helped build it. Because for 158 years, and to this day, postal workers have connected Canadians, rain or shine, in small town and in big cities, providing a lifeline to hundreds of northern, Indigenous, and rural communities. Because Canada Post is an institution worth saving, and because at this junction in its history, it's an institution that needs saving. To give you a sense of what I mean when I say it's an institution that needs saving, since 2018, Canada Post has accumulated more than $5 billion in losses. Last year, in 2024, it operated at a loss of $1.3 billion. And required an injection of $1 billion in January to keep it afloat. In the second quarter of 2025, the corporation lost $407 million, their worst quarter ever. And at present, the corporation is losing $10 million every day. In short, Canada Post is effectively insolvent, and it is facing an existential crisis. Now, how did we get there? Well, 20 years ago, Canada Post delivered 5.5 billion letters per year. Today, that number is 2 billion. And while the number of letters has dropped, the number of households has increased. Thus, Canada Post is delivering fewer letters to more addresses. Second, while letter mail volumes declined, Canadians have been sending and receiving more packages than ever before. But they're turning increasingly away from Canada Post and toward private competitors who are faster and more cost-efficient. In 2019, Canada Post delivered 62% of all parcels sent in Canada. Today, it's less than 24% and shrinking fast. Now, the third reason we got here is that government-imposed restrictions and a stalled relationship between management and labor have hindered Canada Post's capacity to evolve and adapt. So the bottom line is this. Canada Post is effectively insolvent. It provides an essential service to Canadians, and in particular to rural, remote, and Indigenous communities. And Canadians are rightfully attached to it and want it safe. However, repeated bailouts from the federal government are not the solution. So where do we go from here? In its report of May 15, the Industrial Inquiry Commission, led by William Kaplan, addressed these challenges and provided a path forward. And today, I'm announcing that we're accepting all the recommendations directed to the government by William Kaplan in its report, and that we're making the following changes to stabilize the financial situation at Canada Post. I'm instructing Canada Post to introduce flexibilities in their delivery standards. The average households receive just 2 letters per week, yet operations are still designed for much higher volumes. Adjusting delivery standards will allow non-urgent mail to travel by ground instead of air and will save more than $20 million a year to the corporation. Next, the government is removing the moratorium on the conversion to community mailboxes. Three-quarters of Canadians already receive mail through community, apartment, or rural mailboxes, while 1/4 still receive door-to-door delivery. It's an expensive service, and by way of example, delivering mail to an individual address costs the corporation $279 a year, whereas delivering mail to a community mailbox costs $157 a year. And 77% Canadians already receive mail through various community boxes. As such, I'm authorizing Canada Post to introduce community mailboxes to approximately 4 million more addresses, which will save the corporation nearly $400 million per year in income. Now, as recommended in the Kaplan report, we'll also be lifting the rural moratorium, and I'm instructing Canada Post to come back with a plan that will ensure protection of service in rural, remote, and Indigenous communities. To give some context,
rural
The
et
rural
autochtone.
moratorium was imposed
Le
in
moratoire
1994
rural
and
a
covers
été
close to
imposé
4,000
en
locations.
1994
It has not evolved
et
in
n'a pas
30
évolué
years, but
depuis.
Canada has
Mais
changed.
le pays a
This means
changé.
that
Ça
areas that
signifie
used to be
que
rural
des zones qui
may now
étaient
be
rurales
suburban
sont
or even
maintenant
urban.
urbaines ou
It also means that
suburbaines.
multiple
Et ça
post
signifie
offices
aussi qu'il y
operating
a
near each
beaucoup de
other,
bureaux de
including
poste
some
qui
just a few hundred
fonctionnent
meters
les
apart,
uns à côté des
are
autres,
required
parfois à
to stay
quelques mètres
open
de
because of the
distance,
moratorium.
et doivent rester ouvertes
Lifting
à
this
cause du
moratorium will
moratoire.
allow Canada Post to
L'élimination
right-size its
du
network to
moratoire
adapt to today's
permettra à Poste
demographics,
Canada de
but I want to be
rétrécir
clear.
son
Canada
réseau.
Post
Mais
has
je
an
veux que
obligation
vous
to serve
sachiez
all
que
Canadians
Poste
in every
Canada
community
doit
in Canada,
servir tous les
and that will
Canadiens
not
dans
change.
toutes les communautés et cela ne changera
Lastly,
pas.
the government
Et
is
enfin,
reviewing the
le
process
gouvernement est en
for
train de
increases
revoir
to the
le
stamp rate to modernize and
processus
shorten it
pour
in line with
le
Commissioner Kaplan's
moderniser
recommendations.
conformément aux
Taken
recommandations du
together,
rapport Kaplan.
these
En
measures will
prenant
help
l'ensemble de
stabilize
ces
Canada
mesures, elles
Post's
vont
financial
permettre
situation
de
by generating
stabiliser
close
la
to $500 million
situation
per year. But there's
financière
more
de
work
Poste
to do.
Canada, environ 500 millions de
As our
dollars par
government
an. Mais il y a plus
reviews
à
its
faire.
expenses
En
so that we
examinant
can
ces
spend less
dépenses,
and invest
le
more,
gouvernement
I'm
veut
asking Canada
investir
Post to do the same.
davantage et donc on
In addition to
demande
the measures
au
I'm
Poste
announcing
Canada
today,
d'en faire
the
autant.
corporation must
Alors en
adapt.
plus de
I'm
ces
asking
mesures,
Canada
il
Post
faut
to
que
take
Poste
immediate
Canada
steps
s'adapte
to
et
address
prenne des
its
mesures
financial
immédiates
challenges.
pour faire
That
face
means
à ces
finding
difficultés financières.
efficiencies,
Ça veut
reducing
dire
costs,
trouver des
reducing
économies, réduire
overhead,
les coûts,
and I want to be
réduire
clear that
les
also
frais
means
généraux
reviewing
et
and
revoir
lightening its management structure.
sa structure de
This
gestion.
is a pivotal moment,
Donc c'est
not
un
just for the
moment,
corporation, but
tournant,
for
pas
Canadians who
seulement
rely on it
pour
every single day.
la société des
Today's
postes, mais
announcement
aussi
is
pour
about making
l'ensemble
sure
des
Canada
Canadiens.
Post can
Cette
meet this
annonce est
moment
de
and
s'assurer que
continue to
Poste
serve
Canada
Canadians
puisse
for
faire
generations
face et
to come.
continuer de servir les Canadiens pendant des
Canadians care about the
générations.
future of
Les
Canada Post,
Canadiens se
and I know
soucient
both
de
workers and
l'avenir de Poste
management
Canada et
share
je
that
sais
same
que tant la
commitment.
direction que
I hope that in light of
ses
today's
employés
announcement
en sont
and the work
conscients.
ahead,
Et
both
face
management
à
and the
cette
union can return to the table with a renewed
ces
relationship
annonces, ça va
and work
permettre à
toward
la
a viable
société et à ses
future.
employés de revenir à la
Canada
table de
Post is
négociation et de
facing
réfléchir à leur
an
avenir.
existential
Poste
crisis.
Canada fait
It's
face
an
à une
institution
crise
that is worth
existentielle. C'est
saving,
une
and we're beginning
institution
the
qui
work
mérite
today.
d'être sauvée et on